So we're supposed to take off on our first like overnight trip of 2016, and right now, as you can see, we're dealing with a little bit of rain. So we're gonna go hit up the gym. It's supposed to clear up. So it looks like we're gonna hit the road a little later than we wanted to. Bike's all packed up. It's finally stopped raining outside, so getting ready to take off.
All right, so we got caught in a little bit of rain to start on this trip, but we're getting ready to head into Berkeley Springs here. Skies look pretty clear ahead. Should be okay on rain the rest of this trip and not really hit anything else. The only bad part is I got my bike dirty.
Real quick stop here in Breezewood, PA to get some gas, also get some cash. Getting ready to hop on the turnpike for a few miles. Should be in Bedford, PA here in probably about 20 minutes. It's going to be our next scheduled stop.
Just got to Bedford, Pennsylvania. I believe, yeah, this looks like it's it, the old Bedford Village. Pretty neat little covered bridge here. Didn't realize it was going to be made out of wood. Closed for the season. Oh crap. And this is what we really wanted to see, this stupid coffee pot.
Kristen decided to get hot tea. Pretty good lunch in Altoona here at Champ Sports Bar. Next stop, it's probably going to be for gas at some point, but anyway, Kinzua Bridge, Kinzua Skywalk, I don't know what it's called. We got about 2 hours of riding.
This guy's literally walking his dog in the middle of the road. Or woman, whatever it is.
Currently at Kinzua State Park. I'm basically walking on what's left of a bridge that got taken out by a tornado back in 2003. I'll show you what's down at the end here when we get here. just a little bit ago. Got down to 48 degrees on the way here. We're getting ready to go catch an Uber, ride downtown to go check out the Bourbon Barrel.
Kristen and I are still at the same table we started at. She kind of thought it was a dance floor when we got here, and it's kind of starting to look that way because we're the only tables left.
It's almost 7 o'clock. It's a whopping 32 degrees outside, so I'm not in a big hurry to get on the road this morning. Plus the GP race starts at 8. So I'm gonna walk over here and get something to drink. Wait for it to warm up. This is new. It's about 9:30. We just watched Rossi win the Jerez MotoGP. I'm excited. Anyway, we're down here by Lake Erie. Still in Erie, PA. We're getting ready to take off from town here in a little bit. We want to come down here and check out the lake. Up by the Flight 93 memorial crash site on the way home. I guess I was up here about 3 years ago, but she's never seen it, so we'll go check it out real quick.